Colabus for the BlackBerry 10, a race against time for the worldwide launch. Our aim at Colabus is to make the collaboration experience intuitive and easy to use. Our software provides teams to really become more productive and efficient. The mobility and accessibility of information on tablets and smartphones unlocks the potential of being able to collaborate anytime, anywhere. Colabus was already available on the web, Android and iOS platforms, and was being used by a worldwide audience. The BlackBerry platform is popular with enterprises and businesses, a key demographic of our users. We made a decision to support this platform, provided we could get the appropriate support and help from BlackBerry. This could extend our goal of collaborating anytime, anywhere to more devices. We happened to meet up with the folks from BlackBerry at a conference and gave them a demo of the Colabus software and explored how it could be extended to BlackBerry customers. The response was enthusiastic. The BlackBerry team invited us to participate in the worldwide launch of BlackBerry 10, scheduled for Jan 30th, 2013, for which our app had to be delivered by the end of December 2012 to make it through the testing process and be eligible for the launch. We had the agreement NDA signed in a couple of weeks and were ready to go. From this point on, it was a race against time to make it for the launch date. We had about a month to deliver the app to App World. BlackBerry offered to help us with devices and development resources, which helped in our decision to support the BlackBerry 10 platform. This was not without challenges. We had to learn new skills like cascades and figure out the user interface paradigms that would be natural for BlackBerry 10 users, but would still retain the familiar, intuitive feel of our app on other platforms, so that no additional training would be needed. We did encounter a fair share of problems. Specifically, the list views containing images, custom calendar view, file transfer, ended up challenging our team. The team persevered in its R&D efforts to overcome these challenges. Working at a hectic pace into the late hours, the team was able to have an alpha version of the app available by the end of November 2012. The BlackBerry support team was helpful and responsive in working with our team and suggesting possible solutions. The issue of multiple images and list views was still not up to the mark in terms of performance. Thankfully, the Golden SDK version fixed this issue. However, this entailed more work. Now we had to migrate all the code to the new SDK version. Within the next 15 days, we shipped a beta version of the app to the BlackBerry team to get their feedback. We incorporated the suggestions from the BlackBerry team, and one of the issues was to enable the back button on every screen. This required us to redesign the menus on most every screen. The marketing team had to get into action with the necessary collateral, help files, screenshots, and videos, as well as the packaging of the application to be uploaded to App World. Our submission to App World was initially rejected at the outset. The approval team could not access the app. This seemed bizarre. The beta testing team of BlackBerry had no problem. Turns out that developing on the Dev Alpha device did not embed a product key. Also, there were suggestions to rework the screenshots to show only the app region and not the device borders. We resubmitted the app hoping for a speedy approval, as there were other things to get ready for the launch. We were surprised to get back an email again to fix the screenshots of the product. Little did we realize in the help file screenshots, there was a listing of our project icons that included our own internal Android development project and a listing of files in the repository that had an Android APK file. Oops. Hooray! We had everything in place in App World and Colabus was listed in the product catalog. Now it is time to get ready for the launch with our press release, website, and communication. Finally, Jan 30th, 2013 arrives and it was time to attend the launch party. We made it. Colabus was there. BlackBerry personnel at the launch were fascinated with the Colabus product and our development story. They created an impromptu video interview of our CEO, which will be featured in BlackBerry's Worldwide Marketing Roadshow. Back in the office, it was celebration time. It was a race against time to make it for the worldwide launch, and we did it. We're very proud of it. Colabus is now available on the BlackBerry 10 platform.